What up, newbies and YouTubers or whoever else may see this? I thought I would do a quick build video to show how I make my coils for my Orchid V6er. Got this from a shop in Oshawa. Guy's great. Shout it out to Ryan, who I'll tag in this video too. Ordered this from Fast Tech. It is my coiler. Great unit. No, that. My wire. Online. Like my 2 sizes thing. I've already wrapped my coils, but basically doing it on this. Hold it. And I simply just wrap this around. And I use Steam to do it. It asks you all the questions you want with your I just fucked up my show. But it asks you all the questions you want. Canthal, round, twisted, ribbon, non, size, what you want, dual coil, what the resistance is. You know, all this stuff. The diameter, which was 2.5. And then it tells you here 5.92 wraps. Each wire, each coil will be 0.5. So if you look here, I already did it. Those are the should go into focus. Come on. There they are. Let's see what they come out. 0.30. Well, what was I aiming for? Yeah, that seems alright. Let's get this onto the Addy. Using my K100 to test it. I had to switch a couple screws, so I have all my other shit out too. But that's pretty mint. I like that. That's pretty nice. Mint. So I'm just going to pause this video for a second, and then I'm going to wick it up. Okay, so I'm back. I re-wicked it. Looks great. Looks like a bit much, but it'll be fine once I cotton it. And I made sure my Addy was locked, or my mod was locked. Always locked. Always locked. You don't fuck around. So I've got a whole bunch of juices here. These are my mix. These are my not 100% VG. This is my favorite by far. It is the best flavor I can guarantee anyone has ever smoked. Banana haze. I have tried so many different banana flavors, and I've waited to find this banana flavor. Sorry. And it's taken forever, but I finally got it. But I'm not going to do that. That's my favorite drip right now. Just wanted to share that. I got strawberry kiwi, bomb. Badlands, Trisco. Doesn't really say the flavor, but it's bomb. So good. Passion fruit, really good. Peach berry, really good. Pineapple express, really good. Bloody orange, really good. I really don't know what I want to fill with. But before that, I'm going to slowly put this back together and show you how to do it. 1 sec. Okay, so got her wicked up. 0.3. Mint. Check it again. 0.3. Mint. So next, chimney section. You want to make sure that it fits nice and that your cotton isn't getting messed up. So gently. There we go. I like to check it at this point. Make sure I don't have a ridiculous amount of cotton popping out. We're good. And if you're using max VG, just don't screw this all the way down. This is all the way down. If you're not using max, if we are using max VG 100%, use that. If not, just put it on loosely. Next, midsection. Ba-bam. Okay. Next, top section. You have to excuse my poor filming skills. I like to make sure it's tight. But 1 second while I show you how to fill next. So just before I paused last time, I thought I lost my fill port screw. That little tiny bastard. But I didn't. So I decided to go with Badlands Tricycle. And we're literally just going to fill it up. Oh yeah. I like to do it sideways. And I plan on smoking this whole thing today. Quick little tip. Don't put your fill port screw back in until this is all just one level. That's just not multiple bubbles. You see how there's only one main. Because once you put the screw back in, it pretty much pressurizes this tank so that when you, the more you smoke, the more it pulls, right? It's just like an upside down cup in water. I find the trick. Don't over tighten. This stuff will strip, get fucked up. You'll fuck it up. You'll be angry. Need a piece of cotton to clean up, you know? I'm just going to check the resistance again, make sure I'm not shorting out on the chimney or anything. Point 3-4. It's good for me. I usually like to give it a minute to let it wick. One second, please, newbies. There she is. Beauty. Dripping properly. Show you that these bad boys can really blow some clouds. Sick. Point 3. Smoking on the Badlands Tricycle 0 MGs. Thanks for watching. I'll have a more detailed video on it another time. Next time I'm going to do a dual I'm going to do a dual 24 gauge wrapped with 32 around it. So it'll be an interesting build, to say the least, because that 32 is going to light up like a Christmas tree. That 24 is just going to barely get warm, so it's going to be an interesting day. But stick around. Peace.